My name is Shirley Johnson, and I came to Dr. Amy after lots of research on dental implant specialists. Before coming to Dr. Amy, I was struggling a lot with TMJ, and I also had not, because of my PTSD, I had not been to a dentist in 25 years. So I had extensive work to be done, and to have it done within the U.S., it just didn't seem to be possible with what they wanted to do. Would have taken probably 5 years, and not all the time I would have wanted to have put into my rehabilitation and my treatment. I actually had to have 12, I believe 9 or 12 extractions, because I had such a progressive inflammation and infection from not going to the doctor for so many years. Since then, yes, she cleared out all of the infection and has also, just short of a miracle, cured my TMJ. The permanent, yes, yes. Through the period of, let's see, 12 months, she has done a lot of joint and jaw alignment, realignment, which has pretty much cured my TMJ, as I was saying, and I feel a lot less pain every day. I don't grind my teeth anymore, and I have fewer migraines, which probably was related to the TMJ as well. My entire quality of life is improved. I think she's stated that she probably added 10 or 12 years to my life just by clearing out the infection and by ridding the TMJ, because the TMJ was very painful over the amount of time that it was, wearing down the jaw structure. So. And now yeah, I mean, I don't wake up feeling like I've been grinding my teeth all night. I don't wake up with a headache anymore. My jaws don't hurt. So, everything that she's done within this 12-month period has remarkable results. So.
So you are happy now?
Oh, very happy. Very happy. I've never had a problem with my smile. I've always liked my smile, so I didn't want to lose that. But it's been hidden for many years. I was afraid, just not comfortable in my smile. It hurt, or I wasn't aware of the pain I was carrying around with me for so many years. So now I'm happy to flash my smile again, and that makes me feel good. So. For me personally, and for anyone who, like me, has had maybe childhood trauma issues that would relate into your adulthood, as far as fear of dentists, fear of having work done on your teeth. Maybe you haven't made self-care your number one priority. Anyone with TMJ, anyone with any sort of anxiety should certainly look up Dr. Amy, because she's really put me at ease. And I mean, every time I come, I feel like she's gone above and beyond, trying to make sure I'm comfortable and happy, and the overall result should show through. So it's really put me at ease. I think it would put anybody else at ease to find her.